Today we are going to learn how to make your Twitter account's likes private. Let's begin with the tutorial. Open your Twitter app first, then go to your profile icon on your top left corner. There you can see settings and support, and then there you can see setting and privacy option. Tap on it. Here you can see in first, click on audience and tagging. There you can see protect your posts, protect your videos, turn it on. To make our likes private, you need to first make your account private, then only your likes will be private. So therefore we have done so. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.